Let's take a look at some additional date and time functions that are available in Microsoft SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server provides us with some functions that would allow for us to return a specific part of a date. These functions are the year function, the month function, and the day function. All of these functions take one input, and that would be a specific date value. Now, in utilizing any of these functions, you'd be able to separate the specific part of that date and have that result returned. So if you were to use the year function, it would return only the year from the date provided, and for the month, it will return only the month, and so on for the date. Let's take a look at these functions in practice to get a better understanding as to how they'll actually work. So here you see an example of each of the functions, and the date that we have provided is July 25th, 2022. Now we're going to highlight the year function and execute, and we will see what the result will return. So in utilizing the function, it had returned 2022. So if we were to highlight and execute the month function, it should return us with the second value, which is 07, which would indicate July. So it returned the month 7, and if we're executing for the day, it will return 25. Now we're able to utilize these functions on other functions within SQL. So let's take a look at the getDate function. So first let's execute to see the result that it will return. And we're seeing where it returned December 1, 2022. So now if we are interested in getting the month from this getDate function, we can wrap the getDate function in the month function. So we've placed the getDate function within the month function, and now we're going to execute. And we're seeing where it took the specific value from the date and returned it to us. So it returned the month, which is December, which is the 12th month of the year. Our key takeaways: the year, the date, and the month function all takes one input, and this would be the date that you are looking at and interested in isolating the particular value. These functions can also be operated on other functions within SQL. It can also be utilized on columns as well.